If you want to add a voiceover to your video on your phone, you can use Capcut. Once you open the Capcut app and edit your video to the timeline, place the cursor line where you want to start the recording, then go and tap on audio, go to record, and here just tap the round blue mic icon in the middle to start your recording. After a 3 seconds countdown, you can talk into the mic. Welcome to this Rocket League clip. Enjoy. And then just press the blue mic icon again to sub it. You can use features like enhance the voice or even voice changer if you want, but it's not really necessary if you just want to add a voiceover. You can now play it to see how it sounds. You can change the volume and you can cut it down by grabbing the edges, pull them in the direction you want to cut it. Same as you do on videos, you can split them also just by selecting and tap on split and then just grab the edges to make them fit and bring the voiceover into position. Since I have CapCut Pro, I can reduce the noise, remove the background noise just by selecting the recording and then scroll horizontally until you see reduce noise. Just activate toggle on and this is helping very much to remove the background noise. So actually it's worth it. As you can hear, the main video sound is very loud, so you cannot hear my recording very good. So you can either mute the video sound or you can also reduce the volume. And this way you can hear the recording much better. Welcome to this Rocket League clip. Enjoy. And this is how you record voiceovers on CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching.